Maria gasolina, deixa eu ser sua mochila. Sua mão vai no guidão e a outra na minha bucetinha. Acelera no radar que eu tampo sua plaquinha. Sua melhor garupa, sento na moto e na pica. Manda tomar no cu, cê sabe que eu tô gostando. Manda tomar.
In today's video, y'all are gonna see how me and my friend changed my throttle cable, and in the second half, y'all are gonna see how we changed my brakes from my Aerox. It doesn't really work out, it's a bit chaotic, but enjoy the video.
So hello guys to a new YouTube video. As you can see, we upgraded. We have microphones now, a big improvement. What we want to do today is change the throttle cable. You saw in the last video right here that it ripped. Yeah, I can say ripped. And I got a new throttle cable. As you can see, my Aerox has been standing here for quite some time.
Some nasty walks.
Yeah, so we gotta clean this up, and then we're gonna take apart the Aerox. I actually never changed that throttle cable, so it's gonna be a new thing for me.
Was machen wir? Komm! Ist das Minimax hier?
Ha. Yo, Chat! Yo!
Okay, do it! Kill the spider!
I hate that insect.
Oh. Stop this one!
I don't know how to take this apart, we're gonna find out later. I think just these screws and then this screw. Okay, jetzt nehmen wir Roller weg. So this is how the Aerox looks on the inside.
Moleste gerade in die Spiel.
So we got the throttle off. Looks very nasty here. You can see actually inside here. Wait, I'm gonna hold it in the light. This is the throttle that ripped off, and here's just the rest. This is how I drove home, just pulling it. Now we gotta take off the seats so we can get to the carburetor, and just hopefully we can just pull this cable through and replace it, and then we should be done. This is the new throttle cable, fitting orange to the Aerox, and yeah, hopefully everything will fit nice and tight. So we have this little contraption here. What we're gonna do is try to pull the old cable out and pull the new cable in, so we don't have to take apart every plastic, because that would really annoy me and I don't want to do that. So yeah, we're gonna start the mission now. I'm happy our plan worked. This is the new cable here, and here this is the end. Now we just gotta take off the cable from the carburetor and feed this new in there. And hopefully we don't need to adjust a lot. Okay, so this is the new throttle cable, the throttle thingy. And this is the new cable. We gotta have to figure out how to mount it, because we can't just put it on normally like this, because of the cables. Because on here there's like this plastic and it wouldn't fit, because you screw this in here. So what I'm thinking about is that we just twist it like 180 degree. That it looks a little bit weird, but there's another option, but you can still give gas normally. So I think what we are gonna do is try that.
Sadly, our storage for filming ran out, so we're just gonna continue with the brakes. Y'all are gonna see the result at the end anyway, so brace for impact.
Huh? Yeah, good.
aber back only does it. So we got the first bolt out. This is just cooked, we can't get this out, and now we get to take off the front wheel somehow. If I know how.
Please don't judge us, because what you're about to see is low-key pretty stupid. As said, it's our first time, and we we forgot that we had a ratchet to do this. So yeah, just please don't hate us. We're still learning, and yeah, it's just pretty stupid, but yeah.
Right, so do mal.
I don't think that's the way to go wrong.
Let's try it again. Gotta get creative here. Hey. Okay, so we had some troubles with the brake pad, but my friend here is the best mechanic on earth, because we kinda stripped one bolt because it was so hard to get out.
Ja, is goed.
Oh fuck.
Dat is een rondbouw, dat is een rondbouw.
Yeah, now we're cooked. So we had some issues with the brake not the caliper, the Scheibe, I forgot the name. But yeah, these are the new brake pads from Polini. You can see there was some wear on the original ones. But yeah, now I'm just gonna install them, and I hope they fit. I'm not sure. I'm just gonna put a little bit of Kupferfett, Copperfett on the back side, just so everything's good, and also on this little pin, but just not much, because I don't want everything on my brakes. Yeah.
Das ist gut.
Yeah, you probably saw we cooked one of the screws from the caliper. Right now it's just temporarily on it. So yeah, that isn't pretty safe. I was able to change the brake pad. That wasn't too much of a challenge. Also here. And what the issue is on the back is that there's like one big screw that I can't loosen because I don't have the tools for that. I really hope the shop can change it, because I want to drive, but I don't have any money. And this is the filthy exhaust that I want to clean while my Aerox is gone. Yeah, isn't in the best shape. So yeah, that's the stand of my Aerox right now. I'm just gonna leave it outside until I can bring it to the mechanic. So yeah.
Guys, we fucking did it. The bolt is finally out. We quickly gave up the last time because, I don't know, I was just motivated, and when something doesn't work out for me, I don't really want to continue and just give the problem to someone else. But yeah, now we did it with I don't know how it's called in English, just Rohrzange or something like this.
Plumbing balls.
Yeah, something like that, yeah. And just some heat. And we got it out. We fucking got it out. Now I need to buy a new bolt, because this one's really fucked. You can see it's so round. These two we can remove easily, and then I'll have to wait. My ex is currently sitting here without an exhaust and everything. What I don't know is how I'm gonna remove the rear wheel. I think for this I still need to bring it to the mechanic, or because I don't have an impact gun. No.
Oh, mijn baren. Oh, look at nasty. Gruselig. This is nasty.
So this is the progress. It's been a few days, not a lot, and I'm gonna see you in hopefully another few days when everything arrives, that I can put this brake on. Till a few seconds. Bye bye.
So a few days have passed. I've got the bolts, so at least we can mount the front disc brake. The rear I need to bring it to the mechanic because I still don't have any tools or friends that could help me with this.
No, he's a bad mechanic.
Today we're just gonna put this new disc brake on the front wheels. Should be about half an hour, I hope, if everything goes correctly.
I'm the real mechanic here, you see it? Let's down.
This will be never working.
I work day and night.
So the new disc is in, the new bolts are in. I'm just tightening everything so my disc brake doesn't fall off. This install has been going on for way too long. I hope that we finish it the day we started it, but now it's stretching over, I don't know, 1-2 weeks. Still not finished. And I need to pay a lot more than I thought, but I think that's normal when you work on bikes. But at least we're doing some progress. And yeah. Can't wait to drive my moped after such a long time. Yeah. Actually, we're already nearly finished. That's the first time ever that we did something and it was actually done faster than we thought. Because normally it takes like, if we say it takes 1 hour, it takes like 3. But now we did it in like 20 minutes or something. So it really isn't such a challenge to change the front disc brakes if you aren't an idiot like us. But yeah.
Yeah, stick it in.
I guess, bro.
So why can't you want me like the other boys do? They stare at me while I stare at you. Why can't I keep you safe as my own? One moment I have you, the next you are gone. Rehearse steps on an empty stage. That boy's got my heart in a silver cage. Why can't you want me like the other boys do? They stare at me while I
Das ist hässlich.
It's that kind of misery, the kind where you were nice to me, but only in the evening. So I ask, am I just dreaming?
So guys, I just got my moped back from the mechanic. It was a bit expensive, but at least now it's fixed. I'm kinda sick, as you can hear. But yeah, it was a fun video. And yeah, as you can see now, my moped with the beautiful sunset. And I can show you the front disc brake right here, looking great, and the rear, which also looks great. Yeah, pretty nice, pretty majestic. Yeah, I just wanted to finish off the video. Like and subscribe. I hope you all enjoyed it. It took a lot of effort to do this, and for now I think I'm finished with my moped. And now we're just gonna, yeah, I'm out of money. Now we're just gonna continue with his and just of some friends, maybe sometime, I don't know. But yeah, thanks for watching, and yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.